Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix LG monitor not turning on, power cord button and power supply check. Fix 1 is check the power cord. Turn off the monitor and unplug the power cord, then make sure the power cord is firmly connected to the monitor and the wall outlet. Try plugging the monitor into a different wall outlet. If possible, use another compatible power cord to see if the original one is faulty. Second one is check the power button. Press the power button once and wait a few seconds, then hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. Look for the power LED on the front of the monitor. If the button feels stuck, gently press it a few times to free it. Third one is power cycle the monitor. Turn off the monitor and unplug it from the power outlet, then press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. Wait 2 to 3 minutes, then plug the monitor back in and turn it on. Fourth one is disconnect all external devices. Unplug the HDMI, DisplayPort, USB and other cables, then leave only the power cable connected. Turn on the monitor. If it power on, reconnect one cable at a time to find the problem. Fifth one is check the input source. Turn on the monitor, press the input or source button, then select the correct input such as HDMI or DisplayPort. Then check if the display appear. Thanks for watching.